Texas Governor Greg Abbott will not comply with a warning from the DOJ about dangerous barriers at the border, raising humanitarian concerns. The Biden administration is now taking legal action against the state. ABC's Melissa Adon explains the battle brewing at the U.S. southern border.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott is refusing to comply with an order by the Department of Justice to remove floating buoys he installed in the Rio Grande River. The DOJ gave Abbott a Monday deadline of 2 p.m. Eastern to announce his plans to comply with the order to remove the barricades intended to discourage unlawful migration at the southern border, or Texas would be sued in federal court. The Justice Department says Texas had not received federal authorization to construct the buoys that it says present serious risks to the environment, navigation, and public safety, and violate a number of laws. This Texas property owner says the state asked to put up barbed wire on his property, but he refused, fearing it could harm migrants.
They're going to cross, they're going to find a way.
In a letter to President Biden, Abbott said the Constitution grants Texas the sovereign authority to protect its borders, adding that he will see you in court, Mr. President.
Governor Abbott has money in his budget, and he's using it as a state emergency to put these buoys in. But legally, he's not really allowed to do that.
Meantime, the Texas Department of Public Safety Inspector General is looking into allegations of inhumane treatment after a state trooper wrote a letter alleging orders were given to push migrants, including children, back into the river and refuse them water amid the record-setting heat. Texas DPS claims the trooper misinterpreted the order.
If a member from one of our leadership or a supervisor tells a trooper to push back migrants, what that means is to verbally tell them, go to a port of entry.
ABC News learned the trooper who wrote the letter has been on the job for more than 5 years and is not permanently stationed at the border. Melissa Adon, ABC News, Los Angeles.